We find man compared to a tree in a number of places in Tanakh, such as Ki Adam Eitz Sadeh and V'Hoya Keishas Palgemoyim. There's a few other sources. Why the comparison? Well, a tree needs 4 basic elements in order to survive: soil, water, fire, sunlight, and air. Human beings require the same basic elements, and we can learn lessons from each of these. Soil. A tree needs to be planted firmly into the earth because not only is soil the source where the nutrition is absorbed by the tree, but it also allows room for the roots to grow. People also need to stay grounded. As we learn in the Mishnah in Pirkei Avos, it says, someone who's masim tovim exceedis chachma is compared to a tree with few branches, but many roots, strong roots, and no wind can come and overturn this tree. Now, just like a tree also bends in the winds of a storm before it cracks, so too people need to be more flexible in any given situation. The more resistant one is, the easier it is to crack. Water. Rainwater is absorbed into the ground and through an elaborate system of roots is brought up through the trunk, the branches, and leaves. Without water, the tree is going to wither and die. We know that Torah is compared to water, as Moshe proclaims in Parshas Ha'azinu, Ya'arif kama Torah l'kchi, tizal katalim mersi, let my instructions flow like the rainfall, let my sayings drip like the dew. And also, it's brought down in Pasuk in Yeshaya, he calls some melech ulamayim, whoever's thirsty, go to the water, and the Gemara in Baba Kama tells us, ein mayim elo Torah. Both the Torah and the rain come down from heaven and bring relief to the thirsty. Just like the trees, we have to drink plenty of water. Now, fire, sunlight. The tree needs sunlight. It takes this energy, and the light activates the process of photosynthesis, a chemical reaction that is essential for the growth and health of the tree. People also need this warmth. And we get that from our friends, our family, our neighbors, our community. The people around us help us make our own identity and actions. Air. A tree needs air in order to survive. The air has oxygen for respiration and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. In an imbalanced atmosphere, the tree is going to suffocate and die. In Bereshis it says, Hashem breathed life into man. Okay, the same word, neshima and neshama. Okay, breathe, soul. Our neshama comes by way of respiration and air. We use all our senses, taste, touch, sight, to perceive physical matter. Even the sound waves, hearing is the perception of sound waves, but smelling is the most refined, since least physical matter is being used. As Gemara Masechus Brachos tells us, smell is that which the soul benefits from, but the body does not. Also, reach, smell, is the same sheirish as ruchnius. Now, we smell besamim every Motzei Shabbos. Why besamim? Okay, so the neshama yisrael is departing, and in order to ease the pain of the soul, we have fragrance. Why fragrance? Well, one reason is that Adam and Chava and Eitz Hadas, when they sinned in Gan Eden with the Eitz Hadas, they used all their senses except the sense of smell. As the pasuk tells us that regarding Chava, she saw the fruit, she took the fruit, she ate the fruit, she gave it to him, he ate the fruit, they heard Hashem. Nowhere does it say that there's no smell involved. Therefore, the smell is the most refined of all 5 senses and the one that's enjoyed most by the soul. Now, the first Mishnah in Rosh Hashanah, Masechus Rosh Hashanah, tells us Tu B'Shvat is Rosh Hashanah le'ilon, for the tree. This reference to a singular tree alludes to the Eitz Hadas in Gan Eden, and the Arizal tells us that when we eat fruit on Tu B'Shvat, we should have in mind to be misaken the chait of Adam and Chava in Gan Eden. Happy Tu B'Shvat.